So this is gonna be a little challenging because you know how people have their routines and their set way of doing things, but I'm gonna follow a tutorial as if I'm like a beginner in makeup. I have my little tablet here to watch, so I'm just gonna get started. Oh, she used a primer and she used it all over. I have this primer. It is a pore complexion optical illusion primer by Urban Decay, and I use primer sometimes. I don't use it all the time. I don't know, but I'm doing what she does. I mean, I should. So she applied Max Painterly Paint Pot all the way to her brow. I'm not used to that. I don't like that. And I'm gonna apply it and I'm gonna apply it and do it like she does. And then she kind of almost carves out the brows. And I always do my brows first, but let's do it. I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of ways to do makeup. So, oh gosh. What does she do next? Okay, so she used like a warm shade in the crease, which I love. So I'm gonna use this like orangey shade, maybe mix it with the brown a little bit. No, I'll just do the orange at first. And she goes straight away without like any powder to set it or anything. So I'm gonna do it too. Oh my gosh. So she put it just like here. And I think I went a little heavy on that side, but it's okay. So I'm just blending it so there can be a nice transition. And I find it's a little bit harder to blend when you just go straight away with creams like this, but that's okay. We still gonna slay. Like a spotlight type look, so I'm gonna go in with another brush, and I'm gonna go in with this. No, I'm gonna go in with, it looked like she used a charcoal color, so that's what I'm gonna use from the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place. And she kind of placed it here. And here, and kind of connected it, which I don't do, but I'm learning. I'm following the tutorial, so I'm forgetting what I know and what I do. And then just kind of connecting it here. Okay, let's see what she did next. And then she went back in the center with her paint pot. So I'm going back in the center with my white NYX base. Just in the center to make the color pop. She went into the Urban Decay electric palette and she got Gonzo. that teal color, and she put it right on the lid. What does she do next? Okay, so I'm getting the darker color. Just to blend. Using the same brush like she did, blending out the darker teal color. She went into color correcting, and color correcting, you know, color correcting, you know, goes where you need it. I was about to say, nope, I don't know anything. I don't, you know, I'm just gonna follow her. But I'm still following her little blemishes around the mouth, and then like under the eyes, she did. And hers is more of a peachy. It's the Makeup Forever color corrector, but mine is the LA Girl Pro color correct. And then she blended it out. I'm going with my foundation to use the L'Oreal Vitalist foundation, and I love that one. I have used that one in videos before. Now let's see what she does after foundation.
But I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Golden Honey foundation stick to highlight, and I was really tired.
So she used honey concealer to highlight. I'm going to use my LA Pro in Fawn. Went in with a brighter concealer, which I do too, but
so I went in with this long spray. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and just blend. I usually don't use concealer like under the eye, but I don't know what it was. I was tired.
And then she went in with her foundation brush just to make it more of a gradient, because it was a really bright concealer.
I'm going to blend that out using my foundation brush and create a better gradient effect, because I feel like it was way too highlighted. They don't make mistakes, right? Now I'm going to use my Cover FX setting powder, and I use this for my
I just set with my Ben Nye banana powder, and I went in with my dip brow to do my brows. I don't know what happened, why it stopped, but anyway. And that's exactly what she did. She used Cover FX powder, and she has it like right on the center of her nose too. So that's something different. Doing the brows afterwards is different. So anyway, she added a little glitter. She has like the Urban Decay like glitter Galaxy palette. So I have a glittery shimmer, not a glittery shimmer, a glittery powder, not powder. I have a glittery blue from ColourPop called Too Shy. And it's like a super shock color. So I'm just gonna add that to the center to give it a little bit of a, like she wanted to. No, she's dusting with.
So it was hot as boots in New York this day, and I was headed to a nighttime event, so I just wanted to look really matte. So, you know, we all shine. And I used a MAC foundation and MAC blunt to create this contour. I'll list the products below, I promise. So I'm just gonna blend out.
So she used MAC's blunt and some, I don't know, some other shade. I'm gonna use a darker foundation. I think that's what she said, a darker foundation to contour. Okay. Let's see, what did she do next?
And I'm gonna make sure I have a little harsh line to use powder, you know, to give you a harsh line. Next, I'm gonna use this Naked Forever XL pencil just to highlight that waterline with this pretty teal, which is going all along. And I'm gonna slightly.
Okay. So she went on with the blue liner. And she went in the waterline, I think. What's next? Tiara, the Wet n Wild liquid liner, mega liner, liquid liner in black. I was tempted to get all of the ones that they have there because this is my like favoriteest eyeliner, but I'll leave some for you guys. So she took her liquid liner and let's see what kind of wings she did. Okay, so she did a thin line. She didn't do a wing, but she did some feline realness. As they're her words, some feline realness on the inner corner, and I've never done that. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. The wing. Ooh, nothing like a brand new liquid liner, fresh. Oh gosh, it's hard. I think I messed it up. I don't know. Okay. And come on. Okay, so she's completely skipping lashes, I guess, because she went straight to lips. Because I can already see she has lash extensions on. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick my lashes on. Okay, so got the lashes on. Since she wasn't gonna say nothing. Well, I don't know, let me play the video to see. And it looks like she did some nude lip liner. It looked like she used some nudish type lip liner. So I'm started off using Cork. So it's a brownish type. Okay, and then
give me a nice nude pinky lip. I didn't want my lips to kind of compete with my eyeshadow.
What she said to do, we gonna do. Okay, this is the color lippy stick in Aquarius, and then it looked like she did highlight, but she didn't like spray down her face or nothing. Let's see how she did her highlight. Could not shine without a highlight. Right, I'm gonna use Hustler Baby. She did not spray her face. Or highlight. Okay, good glow. Okay, so this is where she put hers, put there, and her upper lip, and there. And then she said, I will be back, so I'm gonna be back too. Ooh, it smells good. And
this has a really nice shimmer to it, and we are done.
She's done.
I love you girls. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see how I got this brown girl friendly blonde, thumbs up this video. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And you can go ahead and click this video, watch this one, and you can subscribe right over here. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit of an experience for me. I love her. I've been watching her since way back. So don't like take anything as shade because she's a queen. I love her. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I already said thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.